Alright guys, and we are live. So what's going on guys? It's Stockmarketchuy and welcome back to the channel. So right now the stock market is closed, and then sorry, give me 1 second. But yeah, the stock market's closed. I was looking at Celsius earlier, but here's how the portfolio did today. Okay, there we go. So for the day we were down 1.3%. After hours we're down 0.34. So roughly I lost around $2,600 for today. And then today Nike had earnings and the stock is down pretty big. And then I'm actually kind of happy about that because I do have covered calls. And then these ones, they were, this is how much premium I would have to pay back if I wanted to close it. But now that Nike went down, this obviously will not update until in the morning. So yeah, but all right, let's get started. So before we get started, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And then if you guys do have any questions, make sure you guys message me on Instagram. It's at Stockmarketchuy, so you guys can message me on there. And then if you guys need help selling options, make sure you guys get my membership. It's buymeacoffee.com/stockmarketchuy. Then it'll also be in the link down below. And then I have 2 different tiers. So here are the 2 tiers. There's the $19 per month, and then as you guys can see, I make over 2K per month selling options, and then you guys can learn while you earn. You guys will get access to my trades, and I'll explain the reason behind it. And then you guys will not for sure, I take that back, but you guys will build long-term wealth, dividend investing, and then we can grow our passive income together. And then here's the rewards. You guys get my number. You guys can ask me anything, real-time trade alerts, dividend stocks that I'm buying, monthly stock picks. So then you guys can see exactly what I'm looking at and which stocks and like around what range I'm going to buy those stocks at. And then also I have a one-on-one as well. So you'll get everything that's right here. But this time you'll get bi-weekly Zoom calls, just because I know some people, they like to be more one-on-one. So I want to make sure that I can help out those people as much as I can. And then obviously I'll help you reach your goals. And then for these 2 tiers, it's you guys are basically just supporting the work, just because right now I'm just doing it as a hobby. Right now I only make $60 per month doing this, and then obviously I have the StreamYard subscription, so that one's $45, and then I have a couple of Discord groups that I do have, so then I can keep you guys up to date, and then you guys will get the absolute best trades. But yeah, make sure you guys sign up for the membership. But all right, next we're gonna take a look at Nike earnings. So like I said, Nike is down pretty big, which I didn't know why, just because Nike, like, they beat their estimates on their revenue and then their earnings per share, which I was like, for sure Nike's gonna go up. And then once I saw the stock drop, I was like, what? How did that happen? And then recently, JebQ announced their dividend. Here, I'll show you guys really quick. JebQ dividend history, and then I think it was 250 shares ish, and then that'll pay me out. I think it was $147 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, JebQ announced their dividend 0.55 per share, so I'm gonna get around $145, which I like that a lot. And then let's just really take a look at how my portfolios, how they both did today. So like I said, down basically 2.6K, and then we'll take a look at the holdings for today. Your equity, today's returns. So down $600, $500, $900, $300, $300, $400. So those are just the big ones. And then the things, what really saved me was the covered calls for basically all of them, because I think basically every single stock went down. But the cash secured puts didn't. Oh, that doesn't really make any sense. Well, I'll take it honestly. Let's see what else. And then PayPal went down quite a bit today too, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it didn't even go down that much. PayPal's been hovering like around $77 to like $79 per share, except for like right here, it went up to almost 81. But I think this is honestly PayPal's floor right here, so I think it might go higher, but obviously don't count on that. And then with PayPal, I used to have 300 shares. Now I only own just 100 shares. So recently I sold out of PayPal, and it's just because I wanted to sell more cash secured puts on the retirement account. And then here's how the retirement account did today. So we're only down $27, and then $1 after hours. SoFi was down. This is for the total return. We're gonna look at today's return, $42, and then TSL down $44. QDT and SSO were only down like $15 total for those two. So those are doing pretty good. And then here are the covered calls / cash secured puts. So covered calls obviously did very well today just because Tesla went down, and then cash secured puts. Oh wait, today's return. There we go. Oh, this one still went up. I really don't know how, but I will take it. I'd rather not be losing money. But yeah, so far selling cash secured puts has been doing a lot better than selling covered calls because obviously the market's been going up. So right now covered calls are a struggle to be 1,000% with you guys. Like, let me show you guys. Like with the QQQ, I think I had when I dropped down to $474 and under, started selling covered calls like around $475, and then I had to keep rolling my options to now it's at $487. So yeah, I had taken that debit a couple of times, but then today I actually rolled it down from 488 to 487, and then collected $45. And then with TQQQ, I did the same thing, but I got more premium for that one. So yeah, that's how the portfolios did today. And then let me know, are there any stocks that you guys want me to take a look at before I go? If you guys do have any questions, let me know. And like I said, if you guys do need extra help, make sure you guys join the membership. It's going to be the first link in the description down below. Like I said, I've been making $2K per month. You guys get my number. You guys can ask me anything. You guys get monthly like stock picks, so then you guys know exactly what I'm looking at and around what range. Or if you guys really want to support the work, there's this membership, and then for $60, you guys get same thing as these ones right here, and then you also get one-on-one bi-weekly Zoom calls, and then we can look at whatever stocks you guys want. Running late? I was, dude. No questions, great info. Thank you, Lucas. Let me know if you guys do have any other questions. Otherwise, today's probably gonna be a short and live. And then, oh yeah, don't forget, guys. Make sure you guys join the free Discord. I had a lot of people join it recently. Like, look at all these people coming in. I'm so glad. Even if you guys don't join my membership, at least you guys will get into the Discord where you guys can find lots of people who have like-minded goals like us. So, and then I also just recently got this new tab where it says goals. For me, I really want to make sure we all hit our goals. Just joined. Gotcha, Lucas. But yeah, guys, let me know. Do you guys have any more questions, comments, or if you guys do have any questions, you guys can always go to Instagram. You guys can always message me on there. That's probably the best way to reach me is through there, or you guys can join the free Discord. I don't know what link it is, but it's down there somewhere in the description if you guys want to join that. But other than that, guys, any more questions? I'll give you guys like 30 more seconds to see if you guys do have any more questions. Really quick before we go, though, I'm gonna look at Celsius. So this is a stock that I've really been looking at buying. So like it used to be at $95, now it's just at $30, $31. The revenue is pretty much staying the same. Like it did go up a little bit. Let's see, Q2. So year over year, it's gone up quite a bit. So that's doing pretty good. Free cash flow, it did dip down a little bit, but that's all right. Net income is still growing. Earnings per share is growing. they have no debt, which is absolutely amazing, and then their shares outstanding are pretty much staying the same. So I like that as well. So I think for sure I'm going to start position on Celsius very soon, just because I think it's at very attractive prices. But all right, guys, it doesn't look like anybody else has any more questions. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to join the membership. Like I said before, you guys can see that I have a proven track record. I make $2K per month selling options. You guys can learn while you earn, and then you guys won't be making that many mistakes just because you guys are following somebody who's been doing this for over 2 years, and where the like I said, you guys get my number. You guys can ask me anything. You guys real time. You guys get real time trade alerts. You guys get dividend stocks that I'm buying. You guys get monthly picks, so then you guys can see exactly what stocks I'm buying and around what range. You guys get community access, or you guys can join the one-on-one one, and you guys get everything right here. And then bi-weekly Zoom calls. You guys, I will do my best to help you guys reach your goals. Just because I know sometimes people need a little tug for them to like start getting the results that they want, and then we'll look at stocks that you guys want. But all right, guys, it looks like nobody else has anything, so I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching.